Dear students, Education Point by Nazmul Islam is my new education related YouTube channel. So please everybody subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you. Dear students, today we will be solve some algebraic formula related math problems. Exercise 4.1. Question number 4. If a equal 4, b equal 6 and c equal 3, find the value of 4a square b square minus 16ab square c plus 16b square c square. Given that a equal 4, b equal 6 and c equal 3. Now 4a square b square minus 16ab square c plus 16b square c square. At first 4a square b square modify as 2ab whole square, then 16b square c square modify as 4bc whole square. Here we will be trying to apply the formula of a minus b whole square. That means a square minus 2 into a means 2ab into b means 4bc. This is the formula of a square minus 2ab plus b square. That means a minus b whole square. Here a means 2ab minus b means 4bc whole square. Now value of a, b and c putting here. 2 into value of a equal 4 into value of b equal 6 minus 4 into value of b equal 6 into value of c equal 3 whole square. Here multiplying value is 2 4 the 8, 8 6 the 48 minus 4 6 the 24, 24 3 the 72 whole square. Subtracted value of 48 and 72 equal minus 24 whole square. Here square of minus is plus and square of 24 is 576. Question number 5. If x minus 1 by x equal 3, find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Given that x minus 1 by x equal 3 or x minus 1 by x equal 3, square in both sides, or here we will be apply the formula of a minus b whole square. Here a square means x square minus 2 into a means x into b means 1 by x plus b square means 1 by x square. Square value of 3 is 9 or x square minus 2 plus 1 by x square equal 9 or x square plus 1 by x square equal 9. Minus 2 moved from left to right, then plus 2 or x square plus 1 by x square equal added value of 9 and 2 equal 11. Question number 6. If a plus 1 by a equal 4, what is the value of a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4? Given that a plus 1 by a equal 4 or a plus 1 by a equal 4, square both the sides. Here we will be applying the formula of a plus b whole square, that means a square plus 2ab plus b square, or a square plus 2 into a into b means 1 by a plus b square means 1 by a whole square, then square value of 4 is 16, or a square plus 2 plus 1 by a square equal 16, or a square plus 1 by a square. Here plus 2 moves from left to right, and we can write 16 minus 2, or a square plus 1 by a square equal subtracted value of 16 and 2 equal 14, or a square plus 1 by a square equal 14 whole square both the sides again. Here we will be applying the formula of a plus b whole square, that means a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a square means a square whole square, plus 2 into a means a square into b means 1 by a square, plus b square means 1 by a square whole square. Square value of 14 equal 196, or a square whole square equal a to the power 4 plus 2 plus 1 by a square whole square equal 1 by a to the power 4 equal 196, or a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4 equal 196 minus 2, or a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4 equal 194.